Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check not interested on Instagram. So guys, if you're scrolling through Instagram and you will find multiple posts, videos, reels, etc. that you're not interested in, and you go ahead and you basically click not interested, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's say I am not interested in seeing this beautiful reel here, right, of London. So I'm going to click on the three dots on the uppermost right hand side of this, and I'm going to click not interested. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this for a few more. So I'm going to do this for this one as well, and I'm going to click not interested. Now, how do you go about checking this not interested list? All you have to do is just click your profile on the lower right hand side, and you want to click on the three lines on the uppermost right hand side. From here, you want to click on your activity, and inside your activity, guys, you want to scroll down to suggested content section, and from here you will see not interested. So if you click on that, you will be able to see all your not interested. Now, how do you go about removing them or deleting them from not interested, or let's say put it to not interested to interested anymore, so that you can get this content? All you have to do, just simply go ahead and either click on one of them, right, and then you want to click the three dots and you can click on interested, right? Or you can simply go ahead and click on select, and you can simply select each of them, and then all you have to do is just simply click and remove, and it will remove them from the list. So those are the two ways how you can actually remove or delete the not interested to interested, or by simply clicking on each of those and simply clicking the three dots again and click interested. Guys, I really hope you found this useful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like, and I'll really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, as this will continue to help the channel to grow. And of course, I'd greatly appreciate that. Thank you very much, and see you next time.